Hello viewers, welcome back to a video called Wakaru. I think I pronounced it right. Yes, this is a new video from this software specific. A lot has changed ever since I've been here. As you can see, right now they're in the beta 1.1.1. So that means they've been busy a little bit. So much that this is actually happening. So they're basically saying that hold the model and one part belongs to each other. They're saying that sense of view. Which one of the things that I actually like is this. The very first sentence. So may allow for commercial and non-commercial video production, meaning that you can make money from whatever video that you make with this software or don't. So if you're gonna be a YouTuber or better yet a streamer, then this application is good for you. It's one of the very few that actually allows you to do it. In the official video, I'll gonna make it very clearly, and it's gonna be only under the character copyright thing. Something that a lot of people miss. So fine to all this. Well then sure, it is for commercial or non-commercial purposes, but you know, further disclaimer in terms of use. And sure, just don't mess with this model specifically. You know, it says all the resources and everything, and you know, like you using this confirm. Since I've already had a model tested it, we're just gonna get right to it. But for today, we're just gonna be showing how do you actually load your character when the process is done, not the beginning. It's actually a little bit more different. This would be the aftermath, to say the least. So you just go over here, where it says Alicia, which is that's without a skirt. Because over here, in your model should be right below both of the models. Because if you press this one over here, it's actually the same character, except that for some reason the skirt is a little bit lifted. If you actually took a closer look, there's the MMD or Make Dance, and there's a behind the Vroid version. So they are aware that these two softwares do exist and they are highly used. That's the keyword, the most used of them around. That's why it's been allowed easier. I'll keep putting that in the copyright video. You can say it all connects to that one. And I'll explain everything. So moving on. This one over here, this is a model that I made. It's in the early stages of, let's say, looking around Vroid software. So once you click that, all you gotta do is try to just so for now it looks like this, but later you can calibrate it. Down here you should be seeing everything about it, you know, types of use, made and all of that. Since I'm being in the development stages and curiosity on Vroid, I've been making it, you know, straight with rules, so it's fine. At least in this case. In the future then, yeah, I'm gonna be more strict. Yeah, you're not gonna innovate this on people. Okay, so that's your modules loaded. Just could be like this. You just gotta hit start. Once that happens, you should be getting everything to motion. There we go. Now, sometimes you just have to move the character around. There. over here where it says camera active, then you just gotta calibrate it. So left is down and right is up. So you can actually see it in your unusual place with the character. Okay, so that's one of the things that you have to notice if your character is kind of big or small. The other thing is this fish over here. Because, the first one is zooming in, zooming out. Which, as we know, camera axis, to focus on the character's face. The other one is like brightness of the room. Well, that is in the computer version, which is fun. There's a background color. You can only see it down here. Way down here. But besides of that, there's not much you can actually see it. And the background, that's actually your option. So after that, there's just 4 tabs here. The first one, which is controls, is essentially everything I've said. The other one is actually facials. How your character is going to be reacting, what type of reaction, and here's where the emotions actually go on. Notice that there's an actual key to be pressed toward that feature to be active. If I activate here, it's not even happening because it's actually in the neutral place. But if I do this, there we go. And if we activate, it goes back to normal. The same goes on to every single one of them. And looks like I found something. This is odd. The looking directions is not actually going to affect. This is interesting. So, yes. Okay, so the keystroke is yellow. On keyboard, for this feature to get activated, you just have to press the number. Exact 1 to 9. So for this example, if I press 1, you're gonna see that will be activated. The press again to deactivate it. It shows it very simple. In the left, it might be a little bit tricky because it's gonna be conflicting with the other numbers. With the expressions. So there's gonna be a lot of calibration in there. Same goes with the eyes. Then if we head to your hotkeys, using the control of the narrow part. Which will be explaining a few gestures. Let's see. This is genius. Let's say we should be It gives us few features over here, but for some reason it's not actually accepting it, or it's not detecting it. If something like this happens, you just gotta go in the systems folder. Yeah, let's go to there. Now we're doing something. Okay, and if this one is actually detecting it, which, like it says, hold the X and click the left button of the mouse, and there we go. Not doing it that well. There we go. Sometimes you just have to make the left click first and then press and hold the X button. Because if it doesn't, it's not going to go like this. Yeah, I'm actually doing that too. Based on real life hand movements. And that's another thing. It doesn't actually get it. It's not that precise. Let me try again with a different. It's very odd because it doesn't actually get the other one. Alright, so let's go to the second folder. Here's what you see. Language. You have these three other options, so if you're a Spanish speaker, then hopefully you know English as a second language. So if it isn't, there's gonna be a problem. Then we'll have, the resolution. You can try later. And actually, let's try like 10. See how it goes. Then there's a line whether you can actually choose from. Then the webcam will come as speaking. You want to see it or not. Okay. Then this should be fine. If you go to the video, you're gonna be back to square one. Kinda. For now, it's gonna be checking is how the avatar will react and all that. For example, right now I activated my started, and it's not actually detecting any noise whatsoever. Before, it used to get it with more ease. So this is kind of new. So there's a lot of calibration to be done. Keep in mind, I'm not using any fancy software or anything. So I should have been detecting something a long time ago. Let me check if this is the voice. So, hopefully, no, it's not even working. I wonder why. Let's see how. So now it detects something, but it's not that much. Keep in mind, if you actually are behind the light, try to stay in front of it, because that actually might affect a lot of these type of calibrations, because you won't actually see the difference between light in dark and in about your face. So that's why. So it's one of the reasons why they say that you need some brightness in front of you, not to blind you, but to actually, see your reactions, your expressions, and how your hands and eyes are moving, like my character's doing right now. Now it's doing it automatically. At least the hand movements are